Ashton's workshop, and today we're going to be drawing a Fennec fox, so hope you follow along with me. You need some paper and something to color with, and if you don't have that, you can always use an Apple Pencil, any of you who has an iPad. So let's get started. The first step, we're going to draw its head. So its head is more like an oval shaped for this fox species. Next, let's draw the big ears. And their ears are very huge, so they're adaptive for hearing. Now let's make the insides for the ears. Now let's make the fur texture. And we're going to do the whole body for this one. And now let's finish off with the head. Next, we're going to make the body. And after that, we'll make the legs. You can add any fur texture if you like, or you like the way you wanted it. Now let's do the back of him. Next, we're going to do the legs. And the legs are very long. And these are the smallest canid in the world. Now let's do the other leg. Now let's do the stomach right here. Now let's do the back legs. And make sure you're making the texture very fuzzy if you like. Now let's do the other back leg that's right here behind it. Next, we're going to do its tail. And their tails are very, very furry, so make sure you get this right, or how the way you like it. And if you want to fix the tail, you can. So for me, I would fix this tail, because for me, it's almost like I made it too long. But don't worry, I can fix that. Now we're going to erase off the legs right here, so because it's covering it. Now let's make the tail that's like cream in the end of the point. Next, let's make the eyes. and the nose. Let's go ahead and make the mouth and the whiskers. Well, the whiskers we're gonna draw later. Let's make the pupils. And now let's make this so we can make an eye color for her. We're gonna add the white dots to the eyes. And there we have it. Here's our Fennec fox. So now let's color. In this one I might use a paintbrush and the pencil at the same time. But any of you who have a paper and pencil, you can use your coloring tools. We're going to color the body first with the paint brush. So yeah, let's color the body first. Now, let's do the light shade of it for its chest. So we're gonna use the white. Or instead, we can do this. And this is gonna be cream color, because Fennec foxes are like a tan, but there's some that could be orange or reddish color. Now let's color the tail right here in the end. And we're gonna add some paws. And I named this one named Dune because they live in the Sahara deserts of Africa. So, yes. Now we're off coloring the head. You have to be very careful when you color near the eyes, because you don't want to mess it up. Now let's make the color the mouth. Now the nose. Then we can add the whiskers. Now let's color the ears. And the inside of the ears, we're going to make it pink with different shades. Now we're going to make the dark games. And if you want, you can add some shading under here, if you like or not. But for me, I'm going to add some more detail on the fur, just to make it look realistic. Now let's add the fur here, especially right here. And let's add some eyebrows to it. Now let's make the eye color. Okay guys, so what'd you think of the Fennec fox you drew? I bet this is a lot of fun to color, and I really like the way it turned out, and I bet your Fennec fox turned out very well, like very good as well. So, I hope you guys have a very good day, and we'll see you later.